Hello, Smarty Stars, welcome to Smarty Kid TV, where you always learn something new. Welcome, Super Builders 2, the show where we try to build amazing things sometimes.
Alright, Joe. Today is the day. We're going to build the most magnificent, the most marvelous, the most. She gestures grandly, almost hitting Joe with the square, sturdy bridge across this gigantic puddle.
Smarty Geniewo's brains, they start stacking giant foam squares across the puddle. The bridge immediately looks wobbly. Jeny carefully places the last square.
You bet. Squares are the best. They have 4 sides, 4 corners, and they look so squarey. Perfect for a bridge.
Ducking, gigantic, Jeny. It's a puddle. My pet hamster could probably hop over it. But yes, a bridge. Are we using our new, super duper square bricks?
Ta-da! Behold! The super square bridge. Now, to test its strength.
Jeny, are you sure about this? It looks a bit jiggly.
Nonsense. On the count of 3, we cross. 1, 2, 3.
Jeny takes a confident step onto the bridge. Joe follows cautiously. The bridge immediately collapses with a comical, bowing sound, sending them both splashing into the blue rug puddle. They emerge covered in imaginary water, looking sheepish.
Excuse me, esteemed builders, it is I, Triangle Terry, and I couldn't help but notice your squares were rather unstable. The humble square, while excellent for stacking, it's not the strongest shape for a bridge on its own.
That was unexpectedly bouncy, more like unexpectedly splashy. Our square bridge wasn't very strong. Jeny.
Jeny and Joe quickly reassemble the bridge, using foam triangles as supports or as the main structure. The bridge looks much more stable. While it's not wobbling, it's not jiggly, it's not spinning, it's solid. Let's try it. They both step onto the triangle-supported bridge. It holds firm. They jump up and down a few times, making it bounce slightly, but it doesn't collapse. Then they try circles. Indeed, circles are wonderful for rolling, but not for supporting weight in a flat structure like a bridge. So squares are too jiggly, and circles are too roll-y. What shape is strong enough to build a bridge, Terry?
Jeny, it works. It works. The triangle bridge is amazing. We did it, Joe.
We did, Jeny, thanks to the mighty triangle.
It works. It works. The triangle bridge is amazing. We did it, Joe.
And that's how shapes save the day. Remember, every shape has a special job, and the triangle is one of the strongest. Keep building, keep learning, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, Smarty Kid TV. Bye.